So we have this pretty nice light right here.
There's mystery in the dirt, the metaphors are breaking down. We taste the wind inside a sound.
As the lights up the skies, we will fight for our lives, As the lights up the skies, we will fight for our lives,
Holy smokes. Did this all at night, so it's kind of cool to be able to see it when it's lighter out.
I'm really happy with that place. That was a very special experience being up there at sunrise. And I just couldn't believe it the whole time. I was just kind of in shock. I've been to a lot of places. I've climbed Mount Baker a few times. I've climbed Mount Rainier. I've climbed many 14ers in Colorado. I've been up to the Canadian Rockies. And really, I do think that this tipped the cake. This place, it's pretty special. I feel like I got some good photos. It was the first time taking photos with the GFX, so that was also interesting. Obviously gonna take some time to get used to. The fall colors were just amazing up there. There's those Pasayten fires that are happening just east of there. And then I also think there's some smoke from the other fires kind of on the east side down by Highway 2. So I think that also was contributing to some of the haze. Let's talk a little bit about some of the challenges. Let's talk about that wind. It was really windy up there, and getting any sort of audio was a challenge. I didn't bring any sort of dead cat or anything for my microphone, and all the device, like the iPhone video and the video from the GoPro and everything, had a lot of wind noise. One of the goals of this channel is to get a really good audio with video that I'm capturing. Definitely getting up there with that amount of wind and not having the right tools to capture audio the way that I wanted to was a little bit of a bummer. Additionally, the wind made it challenging to take long exposures. The wind would hit the camera when I was doing a long exposure, and it would make a blurry photo. So that was challenging. There were definitely a lot of photos that I missed, and I think there's some learning to be had with that. I don't really think that I needed to do any long exposures there. I could have done most of it on the tripod or handheld. I do think also maybe having some sort of stuff sack that I can add some stuff to and then weigh the tripod down with a carabiner, I think would have been a better solution than I used my backpack As a weight, what I would do is I would do the one of the straps up over a shoulder of the tripod, kind of weigh it down, but I don't think it was putting weight in the right spot to really make it solid. I definitely got up there in just the nick of time to get the sunrise, and so I was really scrambling when I got up there. And I had planned to go up quite a bit further to see the sunrise, so I was too slow, and I didn't give myself enough time. I didn't wake up early enough. But I'm really happy with that place. That was a very special experience being up there at sunrise. Thanks again for sticking around to the end. I'm definitely going to be going up there again at some point. Since you guys stuck around till the end, I'm going to kind of tell you a little bit about next week. So next week I'm going to be going to Winchester Lookout, or the Fire Lookout. It's a pretty rough road to get up there. It's definitely a lot closer, so that's good. I'm planning to take my dog this time, which will be fun. Looking forward to that. Looking forward to exploring up there a little bit more. I'd like to kind of follow that road that goes kind of back northeast of Winchester. And then also I think we might try and go up to the lookout as well. So be looking for that next week.
We are ocean